All right, so let's look at how to create a new post. So when we're posting, we want to go basically into our community, whichever community we're posting in, and then click new post. What we'll do is today we'll do this inside of our new group. So we'll go over here. You can see here that I've done a welcome post here, introduce yourself. I've been doing a bit of testing here. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and I'm just going to copy this title and we're going to delete this and we're going to start from scratch and do this. So we will click create new post. Welcome, introduce yourself. Then we'll say something along the lines of welcome to crowd conversion. First, introduce yourself. Who are you? Why did you join? What do you want? What is your goal? That you want to achieve from this group. Great. Now, we would probably put then a image or something like that. We'll do that momentarily. Select the category. We can select to pin this post, which we would do for something like this. Then we can choose to make this public. And this type of post, it wouldn't really be publicly viewable. Publicly viewable would be that you want to be able to share this, say, for example, with external people who are not registered members of the community. So you would do this for promotions. You would do this for maybe videos or updates that you wanted to use to grow your group and your group's membership. This is not really one of those. You could send out email. We don't want to do that here. Disable comments. Create a new poll. We could do that, but we don't want to for this. We could disable comments potentially for this, but we're not going to today either. And we can schedule this post if we want to. Again, we don't need to use the scheduling. We could do it, but we don't need to do it for the welcome post. Scheduling basically means that it'll schedule the post to be published. And if you have scheduling clicked and you have send out email, it means that the email will be sent out at the time that it's published as well. Now, self-destructing posts, also known as maybe expiring posts, these are great for promotions. They're great for limited time when you're dealing with limited time that you want a post to be live. Say, for example, for an offer that you're doing, some sort of special offer usually is when you would use this, and it will have a countdown timer on that post, and it'll disappear after that time. Again, this is not one of those. We've got image we can use, we've got video we can use, we've got voice, which also will very soon include an upload of audio as well. Document and GIF. We can use many of these different options here. So let's upload from our device. We're going to go into, actually we'll upload from storage because I know I've got this in storage. And we'll select a image of ours, this one. Upload file, actually add. So scroll down to the bottom here, select, and it's selected. And then we can click publish. Our post is successfully published. Here it is. If someone wanted to view it, they can view it large as well. We've used a banner here. And there we go. So this is the first post we've published. People can then interact with it. It's pinned, as I said it would be. It's in the general category. And there it is. Now, if you wanted to, you could search your draft posts. If you, for example, ran out of time or you wanted to create a series of draft posts, you could do that. And if you've got scheduled posts, then they're going to show up here as well. So your scheduled posts will show up here. You can edit those scheduled posts if you want to from this area here as well, which makes it very easy. So all of it's accessible through this new post button right here.